Where is my destiny?
In the heart of the city where the streets are alive, there's a place.
Elevate your educational journey at Steps College.
Steps College.
Established in 2013, Steps College proudly ranks as the second largest college in Rawalpindi, Islamabad.
Oh, how you shine, a guiding light that helps us find.
Our students consistently excel, securing top positions in the Rawalpindi board with I+ and I grades every year.
As we go.
State-of-the-art labs in physics, biology, chemistry, computer, and extensive libraries ensure a dynamic learning environment.
The spirit survives from classrooms to labs to libraries and more. The opportunities are endless at Steps College's doors.
Dedicated separate campuses for girls and boys foster a safe and inclusive atmosphere for holistic development.
Helps us find the path to success and the way to grow. At Steps College, we're making our mark as we go.
In addition to academics, we offer vibrant sports, musical galas, and speech competitions to nurture well-rounded individuals.
Reaching for the sky, we've taken steps to reach new heights and never say die. With every step forward, we're making a change at Steps College.
Affiliated with the Federal Board and Rawalpindi Board, admissions are open for F.Sc, ICS, and ICom programs.
That helps us find the path to success and the way to grow. At Steps College, we're making our mark as we go. So here's to Steps College, a place that's true, where dreams are made real and futures are new. We'll take the steps ahead with hearts full of cheer. At Steps College, our journey.
Join us at Steps College to ignite your potential and embark on a journey of academic excellence and personal growth. We are thankful for your trust in Steps College. For more detail, call us at given numbers or visit our campus.